Magandang hapon po ng October 3, 2024 Thursday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result. Ngayong hapon ng October 3, 2024 Thursday, ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, October 3, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for October 3, 2024, Thursday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 19 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 jackpot price estimates is 15.8 million pesos for Thursday, October 3, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for October 3, 2024, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.